Hello everyone. So in this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and create our first Material Design Android application. So let's click on Start a new Android Studio project here. So as you can see, it says refreshing SDK downloading. So it's gonna actually download some packages for us. So let's wait a little bit here. Make sure that you have an internet connection when you actually open the Android Studio. So now you can see that this window is opened. And here first we need to specify the application name. So the application name is going to be Material Design HiWorld App. HiWorld App. And you can specify the company domain, package name, and the project location. So here just click on next. And now you can see that it says minimum SDK API 16 Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. So make sure that the minimum SDK for phone and tablet is API 16 because lower API levels target more devices but have fewer features available. By targeting API 16 and later, your app will run on approximately 99.2% of the devices that are active on the Google Play Store. Okay, so API 16 minimum SDK for phone and tablet. We are not going to actually create apps for wearable devices, TVs, or Android Autos here in this course. Maybe later I will actually create some different courses for these, for these technologies. So let's click on next. And here we can see that we have different templates here. So for example, we have basic activity. So the basic activity is going to allow you to have a menu option and a floating action button. We have bottom navigation activity, we have empty activity, full screen activity, Google AdMob ads activity, Google Maps activity, login activity, master or detail flow, navigation drawer activity, scrolling activity, settings activity, and tabbed activity. It doesn't really matter which one you use actually, because if you use empty activity, later you will be able to add all of these functionalities to your activities. Okay, so for example, if you choose empty activity, you can add a Google Map to your activity later. So here, let's choose basic activity here as the initial template, okay? Because we are going to have a menu option and we are going to also have a floating action button. So I'll talk more about these components later, don't worry. Let's choose this one and then click on next. And here we can see that we can specify the activity name, layout name, title, and the menu resource name. We don't want to use fragments here in this application, so let's actually just click on finish. So now you can see that our project is actually created, right? So now you can see that we have, this is the structure of our project. Here it is, the floating action button, the text. So in the next tutorial, I'll actually talk more about the overall look and feel of the Android Studio. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.